Today I want to share something about creating a 3D printed part texture in Solidworks. So we have a model here. Right now it's a plant's body. It doesn't have any texture on it. Uh, Now we take a look on the 3D printed slicer. We can see the layer on here like this. And we have the wall layer with the 3 line and the fill layer which is 45 degree. I try to achieve the similar effect on this, however the SolidWorks does not have this kind of texture. Right now we need to create an image for the texture. First we need to go to the software to create a texture first. As we can see in the 3D slicer, we have a cylinder or a line that has one dark and one light, so we need to create this first. And yes, and then I'm just need to copy and place it like this, fill it in. We can make it like a lot more, or maybe just this four. Now then we go to export, save this file, and then we can locate the texture anywhere, and then we can export, and now we got the set layer texture right here. Then we go back to SolidWorks. In the appearance, we can add folder on here. We can take the file location on texture. I already add this texture location, so here, and I just need to refresh, and then here is the set layer as we can see on the here. So we have two types. We have the wall line and the fill line. So right now I need to make a wall line first. I just need to select on the surface and edit it. First I need to rotate it, or I can select on auto face. Okay. And this face, all this face. And then we can go to the mapping on here in advanced, and we rotate this 90 degree, and we can see the wall happen in on here. It's a little bit bigger, so we need to make it small. Here we just make sure you take on fixed aspect ratio. Now I'm going to go with 3. Now it's smaller, so it's have similar effect on like this. So I want, okay, then we go to fill the layer on this, and this, and the bottom as well. We need to make it 45 degrees. So first we need to select on just one surface, and then we can rearrange it later. Right now I need to rotate it 45 degrees, and then I need to make it file. Let's see this. Okay, let's make it 3. Okay, it's a little bit smaller. Okay, and then we can select on the face. Maybe it's a little bit problem on when we selected multiple face. So right now we can, maybe we can select on here, or maybe ZX. Okay, right now we can get the ZX is we can see the ZX. So the plane is projected from top, and we have this 45 degree as well. This is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, 45 degree. So right now we can get the similar effect of the 3D slicer. Why we have one more face, we can choose between the here and the set layer. So I'm gonna try with the set layer first. Let's see if we can edit on this. We have a sphere. I'm gonna go with surface and make sure it's 0. No, let's do it. So okay, so right now we get the curve like here. Now we just need to make it 3. Now we can get a similar effect on this part. So now we get all the layer visible in here. Then we just need to add the color. For the color we have in here, we can just edit the color again. Maybe you can edit it before, during the making this one. We can check on the color, and then we can choose any color, so it will change. So I recommend it to, maybe you can remember the code if you were to manually select on this. So right now I'm gonna go with this one with the red. It's easy to it have in this library, so we can select it the other one as well, and then we can edit this one, and also the same color, and this one also the same color. So right now we can see we get the similar effect on the 3D printed part. I can just hide the edge. Now it's a little bit better. If we zoom in, we can see all the line, all the layer line. So this way it's just for visuals texture, so you don't necessary to create a texture, but if you like, you can try, and you can see the same result on here. So far we can get a close result to this 3D printed. And yes, that is for the created texture. I will create another video of how to create the texture of the welding, steel on steel, as well as the steel texture. So bye, thank you for watching.